Okay, so we're gonna solve these problems. Remember, we have to use inverse operations to work your way backwards. So in this one, I do see addition and subtraction, right? But what do you notice? There's a set of parentheses. So we have to do what's inside the parentheses last. So now let's look at this. So this is 2 times x plus 4. So the multiplication would be the next thing to undo. So we're going to use division. We're going to divide both sides by 2. That would cancel the 2's out. And then we'd be left with x plus 4 equals 20 divided by 2, which is 10. Now we can get rid of the parentheses. It's just x plus 4 equals 10. Now we're at a 1 step. So opposite of addition is subtraction. Subtract 4 from both sides. You're left with x equals 6. And I encourage you to take your answer and plug it back in. 6 plus 4 is 10, times 2 is 20. So now that we know groupings would go, what's inside the grouping would be last. We can always, if we see this and think of distributive property, we can divide to get rid of it. So get rid of the 3's. It'd be b minus 6 equals 4, right? 12 divided by 3 is 4. And then add 6. You'd be left with b equals 10. And then 10 minus 6 would be 4. 3 times 4 is 12. That works. Divide both sides by -7. Cancel, so we get 6 plus d equals 49 divided by 7 is 7, but there's 1 negative, so it's negative. Then we're going to subtract 6. Subtract 6. D equals, right, those cancel. -6 plus -7, it's -13. And I encourage you to check that one out as well and make sure that it works out correctly.